Maruchan says their gold ramen noodle soup is restaurant quality at home. This is their soy sauce variety. In the package, you're gonna get the ramen noodles, which are actually round and not square like some of the other packets. You're also gonna get their sauce, which is a liquid. So this is gonna get poured into the bowl, and then we're gonna boil the noodles for 3 minutes, just like you would other ramen. And then you're gonna pour the water and the noodles over this and mix it together. Here's what the seasoning packet looks like once you open it. It smells like soy sauce. It's pretty thick. You can definitely see that there's soy sauce and oil in it. So here it is all cooked up. I will say the noodles seem like they are better quality-wise than some of the more instant ones. I also really like the smell of the broth. You can see the soy sauce and the oil in it, and it has a really good smell. So let's try a little bit of the noodle. Oh, that's good. It has a little bit of chew to it. I really like the texture of it. It does feel a little more premium. Let's see if I can try the broth. It's much more to me like a broth as opposed to the powdered bouillon that can be used in others. I really like this, and calling it gold is appropriate. So if you're looking for a new ramen soup, I hope this helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.